Okay, we're going to show that the line with equation y equals 2x plus 8 as a tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 2y minus 28 is equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to sub y equals 2x plus 8 into this equation. So x squared plus 2x minus 8 all squared minus 8x minus 2 lots of 2x minus 8 minus 28 is equal to 0. And I'll just change these to pluses, which is what they are. X squared plus 4x squared plus 16x plus 16x plus 64 minus 8x minus 4x minus 16 minus 28 is equal to 0. I've then get 5x squared, that's 32x, take 8x, it's 24x, 20x plus 20x, 64, take away 16, which is 48, take away 28 is 20. Now there's two methods for proving tangency. I can either calculate the discriminant to get a result of 0 or factorise to equal roots. So I'm going to factorise to get equal roots. First rule of factorising is to take out a common factor, which is 5. So that's 5 bracket x plus 2 all squared equals 0. Since 2 numbers are multiplied, give 4 and add together, give 4 is 2 and 2. So x equals minus 2 equal roots. Therefore, tangency exists. I can then go forward and find the point of contact by getting the x coordinate, the y coordinates. So I sub x equals minus 2 into my equation for y, which is 2x plus 8. So that will be y equals 2 lots of minus 2 plus 8, and that's minus 4 plus 8. And y is equal to 4, so the point of contact then is minus 2, 4. Okay, next one we're going to show that the line x plus 3y minus 11 equals 0 is a tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 12y minus 53 is equal to 0. Okay, so if I rearrange this equation then for y, we'll get 3y equals minus x plus 11 and y equals minus x plus 11 over 3. Now, I could proceed with that, but it would be simpler to rearrange for x. So x would be equal to minus 3y plus 11. So making a substitution of this is a bit trickier than making a substitution of that. So let's sub in, where we see x, replace it with minus 3y plus 11. Okay, so that's minus 3y plus 11 all squared plus y squared plus 2 lots of minus 3y plus 11 plus 12y minus 53 is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 3y all squared is 9y squared, minus 3y times 11 will give me minus 33y, followed by another minus 33y. 11 squared is 121, plus y squared minus 6y, plus 22, plus 12y minus 53 is equal to 0. I'm just going to tidy this up. So 9y squared plus y squared is 10y squared. Minus 33y minus 33y is minus 66y. Minus 6y is minus 72y. Plus 12y is minus 60y. I've then got 121 plus 22, which is 143. 143 take away 53 is then 90. And that's equal to 0. Okay, highest common factor at 10. 10 bracket y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal equals 0. I can then, two numbers that multiply give 9 are together give minus 6 minus 3 minus 3, so that's 10 bracket y minus 3 all squared is equal to 0. So y equals 3 equal roots, therefore tangency exists. I can then find my point of contact by getting the x coordinates, so x equals, I'm going to sub y equals 3 into x, so x equals minus 3 lots of 3 plus 11. That's minus 9 plus 11, which is equal to 2. So my point of contact then is 2, 3. Okay, we're going to determine whether the line y equals 5 minus x is a tangent to the circle. X squared plus y squared plus 7x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's sub in for y. X squared plus 5 minus x all squared plus 7x minus 4 bracket 5 minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So it'll be x squared plus 25 minus 5x minus 5x plus x squared plus 7x minus 20 plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So that's then 2x squared minus 10x plus 7x is minus 3x, minus 3x plus 4x is plus 1x. And then 25 take away 25, take away 12 is minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so there's two methods for proving tangency. I can factorise to get equal roots, or I can use the discriminant. Now, when using the discriminant, if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we've got 2 points of contact. When b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, there is 1 point of contact, tangency. And b squared minus 4ac less than 0, no points of contact. So there's an example of 2 points of contact. There's tangency and no points of contact. Okay, looks like I'm going to struggle to factorise to get equal roots here, so let's just reinforce that with the discriminant. A is 2, b is 1, and c is minus 7. And b squared minus 4ac, that's going to be 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 7. And that's 1. Oh, minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, and minus 8 times minus 7 is plus 56. And that's 57. So d equals 57. 57 does not equal 0, therefore tangency does not exist. And I could go further there and say, since 57 is greater than 0, there are 2 points of contact. Okay, let's try another. So let's go for find where the line 2x minus y equals 0 meets the circle x squared plus y squared equals 45. Okay, so let's rearrange this then as y equals 2x. I'll then get x squared plus 2x all squared equals 45. X squared plus 4x squared is equal to 45. 5x squared equals 45. X squared is equal to 45 over 5. X squared is equal to 9. And x equals the square root of 9, which is plus or minus 3. Okay, so point of contact 1 then occurs when x equals 3. So that would be y equals 2 lots of 3, which is y equals 6. The point of contact is 3, 6. And then for point of contact 2, x equals minus 3, y equals 2 lots of minus 3, which is minus 6, and the point of contact is minus 3, minus 6. Let's try another example, which is find where the line 2x plus 8 minus y equals 0 meets the circle x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. So let's rearrange this, and that'll be y equals 2x plus 8. So x squared plus 2x plus 8 all squared plus 4x plus 2 lots of 2x plus 8 minus 20 is equal to 0. It will be x squared plus 4x all squared plus 16x plus 16x again plus 64 plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, so that is 5x squared, okay, 32x, 36x, 40x, and then I've got 64 plus 16, which is 80, take away 20, which is 60, is equal to 0. Okay, so that's 5 bracket x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, so I've then got two numbers that multiply, give 12, add together give 8 is 6 and 2. Then divide both sides by 5, and that will give me x plus 6 bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 6 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0, which is x equals minus 6 and x equals minus 2. Okay, so to get the y coordinate, I'm going to sub back into y, so sub x equals minus 6 into y equals 2x plus 8. So that's 2 lots of minus 6 plus 8. And that's minus 12 plus 8, which is minus 4. So point of contact 1 then is minus 6 minus 4. Let's now sub x equals minus 2 into y equals 2x plus 8. So it's y equals 2 bracket minus 2 plus 8. That's minus 4 plus 8, which is 4. So point of contact 2 then is minus 2, 4.